Hey traders, welcome to the full market analysis for the 24th of March. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Just sent a signal into the VIP signals room in Telegram for Bitcoin. So good luck with that. The reason that we have a buy, there's a couple of things. We have a W pattern, which we talk about quite a lot, but we also have an inverted head and shoulders pattern, and we also have confirmation that the buyers are in institutional buyers have 63% of orders unfilled. And then what that means basically is the price has come down, and it's highly likely probably to head for 74.862 in the coming few days. Congratulations, buyers, if you're buying Bitcoin right now. I covered this in the last few days, just waiting for the software to catch up. The institutional bias tools that we use are fantastic. The reversal tools are fantastic. I'll cover those in the next few minutes. And we can see here we have institutional buyers here at 64%. And the price came down into this 50 moving average and then into the 50 moving average, and we bought here at 182.50, somewhere around there, and we got a target here of the previous swing high, but it might not get there, but I'm happy to hold it. I don't have a problem. One thing that is happening and is likely to happen at this point here, we have 55% of institutional sellers stepping in who've had their orders unfilled, so it's likely we see a kind of reversal here, and we also have a sell power of 76 as well, and that combination is highly powerful. So look out for that. It could get very interesting for the pound Canadian. Just one other, I've got two other positions. Euro Swiss, this is a reversal pattern. Let me explain this. We've got 54% of institutionals in. Now the institutional orders are the most powerful that you can get, and anything above 50%. You don't want 50-50, that seems pointless. But we also have a combination here of sell power of 71. This is highly powerful. Above 60 is what you're looking for, and that is likely to see a reversal pattern emerge. Just make sure that your stop loss is above the swing high and a little bit more, allowing for your spread, of course. The Swiss yen is looking fantastic. I'll cover gold in a minute, by the way, because we've had some fantastic moves on gold today. So here we go with the Swiss yen for you position traders. We can see there's a couple of things to note here. The price came up to the 50 moving average. We had a swing high on the price cycle. Happened a few times. And when you see a swing low in an uptrend above the 50 and a swing high below the 50, that's an indication the price is highly likely probably to, we're looking at probabilities, aren't we, at the end of the day. Just make sure that your stop loss is above the previous swing high. And now the target 199.64 is just the swing low here. See that? I think this is going down further. This is going down to 199. Now 199 is interesting. You've got a buy power of 82 on the reversal charts. Very strong. And we could find that institutional buyers come in, and I'll keep you updated with that. Highly powerful institutional buyers will give you the edge over anybody else. These are very special settings, so don't try and guess what they are, because it just won't work. So let's just cover the dollar first of all. US dollar is going nowhere, so we can flick through all day long if you like, and you can see straight away there's nothing of interest. Aussie dollar might be of interest here. Buy power 75. There was a sell 64% a few days ago. Kiwi buy power 70, but 59% are sellers at this point here, and there's no buyers set up at all for the Kiwi yet. The US yen going completely sideways. I do expect it to come down into this area here where we could see a strong buying opportunity. 64% of institutions have their orders unfilled, so highly likely to see a nice bounce into maybe this week, maybe next week. So dollar is all over the place. Yens are falling. I'm looking for, I mean, euro. The reason we're not in this, you can probably see why we're not in this. The price is really not doing anything. We have a 50-50 chance of this buying or selling. We don't know. We do have a sell power of 62. So as it comes deep into this at 184.76, I might be interested in that for a sell. Canadian yen, I spoke about this in the last few days. I did hope that the price would come back up. It still might come up to this area here, 116.50, where you have a high percentage of institutions set up orders ready to be filled. So look out for that. Just flicking through the Swiss, Euro Swiss, I just explained that one. Just waiting for the software. Oh, right, okay. There was an opportunity here, wasn't there? There's unfilled orders up here. $85 for silver. Oil is not sure where to go now. We have to wait. It's 50-50. It's 50-50. We can easily see that, can't we? So we'll leave that alone for a while. Euro Canadian didn't pull back. Okay, so let's go into gold. So we've got a few positions open. We've got Bitcoin for the reasons mentioned. We have Euro Swiss for the reasons mentioned. We have the Swiss yen for the reasons mentioned. And we're waiting for the dollar to decide where it wants to go next. Let's go into gold on steroids. Just wait for the software to catch up. Now, I often talk about money flow, and if you haven't heard this before, then it's interesting. I'll cover this in the next few minutes. Let's enlarge this for you. Actually, let's do the 30-minute. First of all, so this is what was occurring this morning. There was a support here at during the Asian session. We had this going on. So a W pattern basically, and the price came up into it's now weakened actually. There was a much stronger sell here earlier this morning. Now the orders have been filled, so it's gone kind of the other way, but nonetheless we can see that this area is of interest. This area is of interest, so it did sell off. Congratulations if you did. I'll cover that detail in a minute in the 4-minute chart. And what I would say about trading gold is to ensure that you wait for the change of character. Now with Forex you can get away with it. You don't have to wait for change of character. If it's moving into a strong convergence area with Forex, then you can just simply buy it or sell it and then have a wider stop. Now with gold it's very volatile, as you know or should know, and so what I would say is wait for the 4-minute chart or 5-minute chart, whatever you prefer, to confirm a change of character, and I'll cover that in the next few minutes. There's support here at 43.46, probably going to go down to it during the Asian session now. We can see it's refusing to go any higher at these levels here, and so therefore selling seems to be the order of the day. So these institutional bias tools help you to make better decisions, far more accurate, far more powerful than anything you've seen before. Let's go into the 4-minute chart, which I have here, and we can see a couple of things. Let me just get rid of that for the moment. So we had a buy here at 43.84, somewhere around here, and the price went up really nicely. I think we banked about 300 pips from here to, I did have a target of 44.35, but it didn't quite get there, did it? So it was fully extended at this date, so I took 300 pips off the table. If you get 300 pips on the table, good idea to take it. The sell signal here, you can see the change of character. So this was this morning. So this is 5 o'clock in the morning. We can see that the bias is to the upside. Before you go any further, spot this here. Buy power of 86. If you see a buy power of 86 or a sell power of 86, don't even wait for anything. Don't even wait for anything. If it comes into that order block, buy, buy, buy. Don't wait, don't wait. If you've got divergence, that's helpful. But anyway, so the bias was to the upside, as you can see, everything green. And the way to do it, and bring on the money flow now. Money flow is set at 3. Might seem fast, but it's not actually that fast for gold, in fact, at this level. And we can see there's trading opportunities here. That's the wrong colour, isn't it? Let's choose a different colour. Here. Here. Now if you see that the price has come down and it's touching or very close to this support line, then you can buy it. It might not seem a lot, but there's 200 or 300 pips there. Okay, and there's another opportunity here. As the price on money flow came down and then it went above the 50, another trading opportunity there. It might seem trivial, but they're not. 300 pips. And that's probably 200 there. 229. So yeah, not small numbers. Now, in terms of change of character, which we did have, we banked a nice number here. I did have a target here, 43.29. It was a bit tight, but here, of course, was much more interesting. 43.50. I was hoping it would come down to. It didn't quite get there, but nonetheless got very, very close. So we took the profits out off the table. So here's the trading opportunity for you. Here, 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 here. Okay, so of course the further away from the resistance line you are, the less chance it's going to move significantly. If it's close to the resistance line, then that's much more significant and you're likely to get much more profit. So remember that. If it's too far away from there, if there's a big gap, then you're likely to see some kind of reversal, which we did see as confirmed by the reversal charts. Yes, makes sense? Good. So the next stage is the New York session at 2 p.m. Everything's starting to get lively. Volumes coming into the market at 13.52. Change of character here. Buy it. Pull back. Buy it. Pull back. Buy it. Of course, it didn't go anywhere, did it? It just withered away for the rest of the day. So in these conditions, there's not much going on, to be fair. It's late. It's 6:20 here in the UK. And we can see that the price is moving up to resistance. So you only be looking for sells if you are looking for sells. That's the only thing you're looking for. So understanding the change of character, wait for the change of character and then just sell it. Okay, just sell it. There's another option, just sell it anywhere, here, here, and just use this as your initial and your trailing stop. You'll bank many, many, many hundreds of pips. Congratulations, VIP members.